tomorrow's Morgan's birthday. They're getting ready. George and I will make comic books. I'll make a book, and we'll do the decoration for tomorrow. I'll buy her cat ninja books. Let's go to the mall together. Look, guys, a cat dressed as a ninja. Aw, how cute. How much is this cat dressed as a ninja on the window? Oh, that's Cat Ninja. He's a superhero. He saved the guy from the costume man last night. He spent 20 bucks and 30 cents. Okay, here's 20 bucks and 30 cents. Awesome. Here he is. We're going to be best friends forever. Cat Ninja is sold. Cat Ninja is sold. Master Cat has a plan to get rid of Cat Ninja. I will capture Cat Ninja and bring him my lair, and no one will never see him again. Splendid will stop Master Cat. Save Morgan's birthday. And save the new movie star. Do 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 do. Dun 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 dun. On November 26th. Splendid and Cat Ninja teamwork coming soon, only on November.